All set. A warm evening. To the Dubai Inter. So the toss took place a little while. The last couple of games.
Good, and then of course the.
So 3 changes. 5 bowlers with.
Jasprit Bumrah.
Yes, and not surprising power play in the past.
The batting India, but Farhan is in very.
One.
The ball will come onto the bat when it's the final.
The ball, and there you go. Just give it a. You'll take the boundary. First boundary.
Field change now. Mid-on drops back to long.
And I think Sar on the offside. He's taken the off, played it over that extra cover.
And it's good running. Quadricep injury. From Dubai so far.
It comes onto the bat better.
Downs done well there to get his hands to it.
For a Yorker and saving a certain boundary. Really quality.
Dubai saw him coming, but a boundary to end the over. 19 for no loss. Plenty of almost going the distance. One.
I think the pressure is short. That's the way he wanted to, but unlucky.
So a shift in momentum.
Shahzad Farhan is probably the only 6 of his bowling.
The umpire director, we have
comfortable.
One for none at the moment. Where can they nicely play? That's an important boundary.
That he would have bowled on in the last, but spinners will have more of a say in him.
All along, Kuldeep, he's been terrific.
Sahibzada Farhan was a very good shot.
Played against India in this tournament. The first game they got
Tournament.
The onside. Work to be done. But it's a good start. Puck.
The combination of maybe the batters being
Middle overs as well, so that's why it's so. He's dined out on that one. He's headed for 66 for none. On the bounce. Dool will be controlled. Still going to be able to come back for the sec in this Asia Cup. They played 10s a lot in the V and scored 53% of the. Oh, that's not. Plays a boundary scorer, this guy.
The next ball feels obliged to it. He's real free.
Towards the right-hander's body, you can't do too much with that.
Very quickly. It can all suddenly.
Last ball the over, 54 for none.
Can't get it for room. That's a one man who hasn't is might have just.
But that's always going to be the situation. Off the bats, and it'll go.
Comfortable 11 for. Put themselves in a.
If they continue the last 5 overs, they can really go berserk.
For 4.
Yes, very good use. Positivity about the Pakistan bat. He really didn't get too much support, but now look at
his own bowling. Yeah. inside edge of the bat out to the man in the targeting Dubey a little bit in the
Bowling option with Tilak and Shivam.
yeah, they'd love, I think. So that's 10 and over from Hill. That creates be a couple. Pakistan going along nice.
A lot will happen in the next 4.
Yeah, good start by Pakistan.
But the Kuldeep has invariably been
6 over. They took their time.
and they might just come back for the at the start of the tournament, but today balls to go in this over. He's conceded 5. There again, no says Siam.
Siam went straight to Tilak. Still 2 balls to go off this over.
Kuldeep gets the wicket.
A very delivery. And then Jasprit Bumrah at backward point, and Saim Ayub departs for 14. And Mohammad Haris is on the field.
13 for 2 now. T20 bowler for India. And I do believe there's something that playing a little. Talking about Mohammad. Fielder has struck for India, and India have got their 3rd.
In turn and went straight to Kusing, easy as you like.
He have a choice. Can he play disc?
You can't just go run, come back for 2. Yes, 14 overs gone, 118 for 3.
Rinku Singh will slither and they'll get a couple of runs. And he goes a champion. He knew it. Way too high and too long for Shubman Gill from Fakhar Zaman under pressure.
He was outside off stump, but
The class of the man, Fakhar Zaman under. Varun Chakravarti, the man for India.
off stump outside his reach, and a very simple catch. In form batter Fakhar Zaman.
He's just a champion bowler.
In Salman Ali Agha and Talib, who just walked out.
Chakrabarti. He's come back. Humble. Will give the.
Look at the board.
Now
That's a run, but Surya appealing the right call.
Surya was so confident.
Action. The rule they wanted. Another wicket. Pakistan losing their way.
Slow delivery, not turning sweep, and beautifully bowled. Hussain.
1 for 5. This game as well when they had a very good start now. 10. Getting in for 133 for 5.
Pulled everyone else off it. He wants it. It's gone home.
Here, the pitch of the ball gripping a little bit, and then in for
Ball of his last over. Oh, he's reviewed straight away.
Yes, enough out to not out.
Clearly, there's an appeal there. Kuldeep's interest.
Below the bat. Pull. Side off. Impact in line. Make a signal.
And Kuldeep's bag 2. Waheem Ashraf is
excellent bowling spell. It's batted like a Tilak Verma, the man at mid-off. Pakistan.
Ability to do this. It's slow. It's looped to Tilak Varma. Pulled from 113 for 1. With a cultured edge down.
Boundary came after kept on losing wickets. Little edge. Then Pakistan.
Oh, it's not the Yorker. They're 9th.
Sort of bowling that those Yorkers hit the off stump. Is another one bites the
crease for Pakistan. And maybe Nawaz can find some boundaries. But he does.
It's a stick. Can't believe it.
Nawaz to pick up 1. Oh no, what are they doing here? Straight out to deep mid-wicket. Pakistan bowled out into bat first. Average shot, some poor cricket.
Over the years, I've seen 3 for 9.
Fans can't quite. They had high expectations.
We're at the halfway mark of the fight. Right to the top. They're up against a couple of blokes who are one is a magnificent cricketer who scored so. The last innings, by the way,
Hasn't got the big runs there. Interesting to see what the first ball is going to be. This
astonishing, really is. He's got someone at the other end too. Shubman Gill, of course, the Red Bull captain.
10, 9.
That's what Pakistan need.
we need to do without the
Swing. Straight away.
look at that high back lift when the bat comes down.
His grip is pretty high on the bat hand. Oh,
Pace. Now this is
got the fine last reading. A little bit like this. Second. Now. Oh, a delivery they wanted. They've got Abhishek eventually.
really not surprising to get up to a 50-run. Simple 7 for 1. Around the 135, 140 mark. 20.
Now, Pakistan, they keep you honest. Mixing up his pace nicely. Coming back for this against the skipper. He picked up most of the wickets today.
Into the right-handed Surikam over here. Junaid Siddiqui.
Again. In the air. Out. Couple of juggles.
Well, just like a casually. India thinks
Huge wicket of the opposition captain now. We're 1 ball shy of 3 over.
looked like a 180.
With Pakistan losing those lodging in. Very good run out. Oh, that would have been interesting. Over. Oh, it's a bit back for the second. No, this. So that's. It'll be for the second now. In that region. Again. Really nicely played. That is.
Shot thirsty as he saw him come down, but powerfully between those.
Oh, he's got his second.
Slower delivery. Very good catch. Timing his jump to perfect 3 wickets.
The thing about Shine today is the way he adjusts. Third. See that ball not quite coming on.
Shine's jazzed up all right against.
This is the final. The pressure. First 4 matches is Samson.
Obviously, into power play.
Racing away to the boundaries because of the pace of.
It was a slow ball boundary.
What a shot that is.
Trouble. Easy pickings. It's massive 6, 72 meter. You're going to do variations. There's no point.
So after 6, Pakistan 36 for 3. This is India's splits the field.
And it before, the minute he saw the ball for the boundary.
It's not all about boundaries and sixes. Seven gone, 42 for 3. That won't be easy. Good line and length. He's got fast hands.
So look, it was just back of a length, just rocked back.
The bottom hand coming into play.
So just. And for Pakistan point of view.
Over after 8, 49 for 3.
They had Pak going out there and playing including the captain.
The moment, you know, if it's not a boundary ball.
Sip.
Now landed on the seam and look, comfortable catch. Shahzad Ali needed a wicket and they got
In a row for India now with Shivam.
keep things really tight like.
Oh, that's exactly what they need now with the 81, the second ball. This from Abrar, if you're just looking to
For getting out of the over. Yeah.
Evan, left-handers to operate. It's really clever from Abrar.
Yeah, he's a match being used. Spins a bit more.
And for they're with the left-handers. Oh, out. And go to the third umpire.
Yes, satisfied.
Just want to take a look at this, Wakar. There's one over early on. 4 for Shivam Dube.
Very tall, and he made sure that he get.
Just go back and take a look.
Time. Slow delivery.
Day after the fact, but you have to keep well. You take those two for India.
Well, Pakistan.
All the way for 6. Is sailing over deep mid-wicket.
So nicely. There you go. Previous.
If Abrar bowls the last over, make the ground. Yeah, 38 runs.
And all to the plan. And that's what.
6 off the first ball, but the damage has been done.
And now they're being very, very sensible. And that's Tilak Verma. 111 for 4.
In hand now, 50 up for Tilak. A little bit leg side. Just need to keep ticking over at the moment. Spinners off. A little bit more of those. Trying to apply a little bit of pressure. This is on. He's going to track it. He'll dig. 117 for 4.